Get in there!
Whew. It's getting a bit chilly out here in Delaware. It's early in the morning, Thanksgiving Day. Wife is inside making a turkey. We're gonna have some family over, enjoy, give thanks. Looks like the sun came out, or it's coming out or something, so should probably go do a quick float. Why not?
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning. Without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel fine. I feel fine. I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Waking up in the middle of the night, all alone. Realizing in the middle of the night, I'm glad you're gone. I'm glad you're
Alright, so it's Thanksgiving, awesome day. I had an awesome float today. It was fun riding in Newcastle, a place that I had not been there for in a while. It's actually one of my favorite places to go and float. The reason being is because it's not extremely busy, especially around this time of the year. And also it's just so scenic, so beautiful, and such a nice float. But anyways, it is Thanksgiving, so it's awesome. You know, I'm so thankful to be able to float and be able to enjoy the one wheel as a hobby. Honestly, in 2020, I didn't know I was gonna pick up this hobby and fall in love with it as much as I have. I'm really thankful to have discovered the one on wheel has been a blast. It's been awesome not only during the quarantine but also for my mental wellness, to be honest. When you're floating, it's such a stress-free activity. It's amazing. Like, you gotta try it. The whole stoke, which is what we call it, is just intense. You know, you're just in the moment, you're floating around, taking in the scenery, taking in the views, taking in the experience of floating around. So extremely thankful for that, and of course for having such a supporting wife. I love you, Jackie. Thank you so much for supporting me with this hobby. I know it's a pain in the butt sometimes for me to just leave and go and float, and not only that, then spend time editing these videos. So if you guys like them, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. But anyways, again, thanks a lot for watching. It was an awesome float in Newcastle, Delaware.